Thanks for choosing LoadTraxx. In this video tutorial, our goal is to provide you insight on how to get the most value out of LoadTraxx during your trial. First thing to do is go to myloadtraxx.com and use your provided login information provided in the email. Once you log in to myloadtraxx.com in the LoadTraxx back office, go ahead and add a customer, a couple of sites to include a home site, a job site, a drop site, and a load site. Go to the job board and add a couple of jobs, add a truck and a trailer, and you're ready to roll. The next thing to do is go to your respective app store and download LoadTraxx. Use your same login information provided in your email. Once you log in, you'll select a truck and a trailer, your starting mileage of your vehicle, where you're starting from, and you're ready to roll. What you're going to find throughout this mobile app experience, we ask step-by-step instructions and exactly what the drivers are going to be doing throughout the day. Go ahead and run through a few rotations as if you're a driver running a typical day. One thing we'll notice is there's multiple buttons being pushed in this demo experience. What we want to remind you of, a typical driver has a length of time between his load site and his drop site and any other variation of his day. So what you're seeing here is a very condensed version of what the driver would be experiencing on a typical day. After you've gone through a couple rotations, on your last load, after you're done unloading, go ahead and select the option of Go Home. Once you arrive back home, there's a couple finalizing questions and you can go ahead and sign out for the day. Once you're signed out of the mobile app, go ahead and head back over to myloadtraxx.com and start realizing the power of data at your fingertips. We recommend that you start by using load ticket report, then billing, then payroll, and the other various reports at your disposal. We appreciate you've chosen LoadTraxx. During your 30-day trial, remember that you always have access to our account management and 24/7 tech support team.